I still can't believe I built an entire online course in 3 days. My first course, that took months, late nights, and let me tell you, endless rewrites and exhaustion. But this time, AI was my secret weapon. It helped me organize my ideas in minutes, write faster than I could, and spark creativity when I was stuck. What used to feel impossible became doable and, better yet, fast. This wasn't just about speed. It was about proving to myself that I could take on big challenges and win. And now I want to help you do the same. If you're ready to see how AI can transform the way you work, join my Smart AI workshops. Let's take your ideas to the next level together. Go to smartaiworkshops.com and register for our next live webinar.